In this video, I am going to show you how to create a filter action. So to create a filter action, you can go to Dashboard, Actions, and from here you click on Add Action. And in this case, I'm looking for filter action. Alright, so we want to, let's say, filter sales forecast by region. So I'm going to use sales by category and subcategory as a source sheet. And for filter actions, run action on select is always it's kind of like the better option. It's the recommended option. And the target sheet, I want the target sheet to be the sales forecast sheet. So basically, when I select a something from here, I want to see the results over here. And when I clear the actions, do I want to exclude all values, show all values, or leave the filter? So in this case, let's just leave it as exclude all values for now. And let's just go ahead and run this. So from here, actually from target filters, you can use all fields or you can use selected fields. But in this case, let's just leave it as all fields for now, and we'll come back to this later. And let's click OK. Now let's click OK. And now when I select a something here, I see the results over here. So this is the result of the action that I just created. And when I deselect, everything clears. Remember when I said that on clearing the selection, I want everything to be cleared out. But then when I make a selection, everything shows up again. And of course, we can edit our actions, right? So right now, when we deselect everything, this disappears, but we don't want that to happen. So to change that, we go back to Dashboard, Actions, and we click on this and edit. And in this case, let's just do, we want to leave the filter selection. When we clear our selection, and let's see how that works. We click OK and OK. Now when we click on this and then click outside of it, our selection stays in place. And also you can highlight a group of things, so you can select a couple of these and just look at that data right here if you wanted to. And of course, and then when we click outside of that, the last selection will stay put. And of course, we can make a few more changes to this. We can go back to Actions, edit it, and let's select target filter, so we can add a filter from here. We want the target to be the subcategory, and we click OK. So we want the target filter to be the subcategory, and maybe show all values when we clear our selection, and then we click OK and OK. Now when we click on this, it will show us different things. It will show us all the subcategories that relate to this, because we set subcategories as the target. We can set something like sales forecast or profit as a target. So we can go back to Actions and edit, and then remove this one and maybe add a filter. And let's look for something like sales forecast. Okay. Oh yes, I don't have sales forecast over here. Let's use, so say I'm missing the sales forecast field in this sheet that I selected right here, so it's giving me an error. Let's go ahead and remove that, and let's go ahead and add a filter by region. I believe I have region right here. Region. Okay, now it's not giving me any more warning, So if you choose a target filter that is not in your sheet, then it's going to give you a warning. And let's click OK and OK. Now if I select this, it shows me the region. It shows me all the information related to this particular region. It shows me all the information related to this particular region. Shows all the information related to this particular region. And when I deselect, it shows me all the regions. And of course, since we added this action to the view, the user doesn't know that they can click on this to select stuff by region. All right, so let's go ahead and change this a little bit and change it back to all fields. Leave on filter and click OK. OK. All right, so here we can add instructions such as select a bar to view information about it in table to the left of dashboard. We could add simple instruction like that, and let's make this small to like 9 points or 10 points. Italicize it maybe, and then apply. Okay, and that's our information right there. So whenever users looking at this dashboard, they know to select a bar, and the information related to that particular bar will be right here. That's it for this video on filter actions, and I'll see you on the next one.